Hi, my name's Nate Garvey, Applications Engineer with Panasonic EverVolt, and in this video we're going to be talking about mounting the inverter. Unbox the inverter and locate the inverter backplate and mounting hardware. Remove the packaging and move the inverter to a solid surface. Fix the lower mounting brackets to the bottom two screws on either side of the inverter. Mount the inverter backplate to the wall studs or attach to a rail system as shown in this installation. Hang the inverter on the backplate and secure the brackets using at least 2 screws. Note: leave at least 6 inches between the inverter and battery cabinet for accessibility. Open the front panel of the distribution box and remove the dead cover to access the inverter input and output terminals. Attach the grid input wires to the inverter grid input terminals. Attach the essential loads to the load output terminals. Attach the battery conductors to the battery DC input shown on the right. Attach other grounds to the ground lugs as well. Attach the battery ground to the inverter grounding lugs. If the system is DC coupled, land the DC solar conductors on the DC inputs on the left. If the system is AC coupled, AC solar should land on the essential loads panel.